Man, oh man, oh man, am I asleep? I need just the camera in it because I need to fix the setting thing on that. Yes, good. That one. Yeah, that one. I think. Yes, pick analyst. What's going on? You know, we actually do need back a bit. What are you saying, bro? Oh, nice, nice. They do have the futures part. If they don't pay you, let me know, because that's a red flag. I think you'll be alright though. They've been paying traders out like within minutes and within hours, bro. So I think that's a sign that they got liquidity. They've literally bought their own broker and stuff like that. I keep getting notifications about deposit bonuses for their broker. These are all good things, man. Like, they're all things to say the company has liquidity to provide to fund traders and, you know, pay out to traders in it. So that's the kind of the main and only thing, to be fair. Unfortunately, yeah, because they pay no tax. Right, so what's the score then? Market opened up with the gap because of the war scenario, and then it just kind of closed with the gap again. What's gold doing? Gold's dipping down. Then GU come down, look out these highs here, as did EU. On M2. Nice to catch a clean trade. And then market opened up, dipped down, took out that low, moved higher, took out that low, took out these lows, pushed higher, left the invalid zone there, come down, took the invalid zone out beautifully. Shit, was there a trade earlier today? So there's the failure of that invalid zone. And then within 1 minute it tagged back into that. It doesn't matter, because you would have had, if you took an entry here, you would have had break even there and then tag off the break even anyway. So I suppose it's not the end of the world. And then down here, so this one hadn't taken it yet. Okay, that's fine. Then what about CAD? CAD.
Ryohin Keikaku, Mitsubishi Corp forge strategic business alliance.
Oh, Sahad, what's new, man? How's your brother's place and stuff like that? All going well? Awesome. Cuts and stuff okay, yeah? Cuts a trading duty account. That's funny.
France to summon Russian ambassador to Paris in coming days. French foreign minister.
That's funny, bro. I'm tired, man. My sleeping pattern's cooked. I think the war is still going on, isn't it? So I think the dollar should push up initially to be should have the initial push up. I think you might need to go short again, man. Buy the dollar, sell everything else. You're so sleepy. Already coming across here. Are you trading or not? Or are you just gonna chill for London session? Yeah, in gold longs. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna go much further than Asia midline, but sure. I think it's gonna reject off at that level here. How much tax do you pay? And no way to get away with it if you like put it into a personal account or something like that instead of funding your own funding yourself. Bro, you're doing really good, man, as a trader. Flipping hell, really good. You're actually killing it, man. Mashallah, that's madness. Most are because of crypto withdrawals. Young say keep in a crypto wallet, innit, man? there wasn't a clean sense of direction for buys today. I could just see where they were, but I suppose price did end up going higher and higher and higher. Yeah, that's funny. Down, took those lows, moved higher, took kind of internally just creeping upwards. I'm not sure if this is valid or not for shorts, but chalo, we will see. When price gets around here, I'm going to consider getting in shorts around that level. I feel so tired, but the weather's great today, man. Nice and cool. My room right now is 22, 20, 23, 24, 23 or 24. It actually feels cold, you know. I think because you had such like proper heat here, it actually feels colder now. Max of today is 26, right now is 16 outside. Tomorrow's 27, 28, 28, 27, 25, 26. This is bearable weather. This is bearable weather.
Are literally sitting out a pack talking to him. Whoa! They come in a pack. Any good shirt?
Ugh. I see what the score is then today, man. I think if the war is still going on, we should see strength in the dollar. Therefore, it should push up generally this week. Boy, we got CPI. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Today we got basically zero news. Tomorrow, French bank holiday, Governor Bailey speaks, and then CPI. Okay. So, year on year, come out at 4.2 previously, and they're forecasting a drop of 3.8 year on year. Month on month 0.5. They're expecting it to drop down to minus 0.1 month on month. Core year on year 2.9 expected to come down to 2.8. That should miss. That should be higher. It should come out to like 3.2 or something like that, and then the CPI that's 3.8 forecast should come out like 4.2, 4.3. You should see a great acceleration in costs because of the state of Hormuz. And then Wash testifies as well. Oh fuck, Tuesday is a big day, man. And the Wash testifies again on Wednesday. Okay. Okay, and then we got PPI. Okay. Right, we got CPI inflation week basically in it. Oh shit. Big week, man. Markets might be a bit lackluster. They're waiting for that news to occur possibly. My name is Amal. I am Indian and I live in Dubai. Sar. I like oil. Sar. I like oil. Sar. Amal, you're funny boy, man. Yeah, me too. I wanted them to lose, bro. I wanted them to lose so bad. All my friends are like, oh, you hate England. I goes, yeah, I do, bro. They're racist, man. Piss off. Paedify God. Never heard of them. I'm just falling a bit. Like pound is taking a dump, or is that dollar taking a push? It could be dollar push. Dollar push. First leg, second leg fell off a cliff. First leg, second leg is going. I did say shorts are preferred. Eight o'clock in 6 minutes. Let's see what happens. I'm farting loads, man. Too much roti chawal. Yes. I wanted gold to come higher, bro. Gold is starting to like just drop down again. I wanted gold to pop up. I think that prices are gonna go higher because of the war potentially re-accelerating again. So I forecast / expect prices to become higher. So dollar strength. Silver Oh man, you're a proper tut. Let's look at the bond yield. Bond yield. Up. VIX is broken at the moment. Indices are down. Look at that, bro. Look at Nasdaq down 1.5% because it knows war acceleration. Bad. British gas up 3%. Oil is up. Yeah, look at that. 3.6%. 3.8%. Oil is back up again. Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down. I think this is signs that markets are kind of pricing in that war is back on the table, or lack of MOU is back on the table. So yeah, would have been nice if I could have catched some sort of short or something, but no. USD CAD wasn't giving clean longs in my opinion. I suppose it did fill this entire gap in. Oh shit, wrong chart in it. Go on here. And then it just flew off from there. Tagged that invalid zone. Didn't really fail it. So yeah, nothing here. Nothing on USD CAD. Suppose if you take these highs out there. Oh, these highs out there. You can consider going short if you get a short on there, but I'd really rather stay long on USD CAD. Makes sense to just stay long. My goal is to become the Diddy of the markets. I just love oil. Oh man. Oh, I didn't even post the links in the chat, you know. I'm gonna just post them in case like people are low-key watching but not talking type thing. There's that. There's Heron Copier. There's free trading journal, but if you pay for a subscription, use that link because then you can get a subscription. I get pennies for it. Thank you. And that's Discord. Very good. Very. Okay, London Open round the corner. Is there any sort of correction expected on Nasdaq? Well, normally a correction is up to about 10 to 15%. 20% is considered reversal slash recession, because you're getting a huge drop on the market. We did get that when we had the tariff come in, but I think that's just excessive situation because it's a unique stance. So yeah, you know, corrections on indices can be like 2-3% of valid corrections, but they could be big corrections like up to 5%, 10%, 15%. You know, with the whole tariff thing, technically we had a 20% correction, technically, but that was unique in it because Trump come out and said tariff on the whole world, and the markets just went like they just took big dirty, bro. So yeah, correction on indices. You know, like, you know, if you bought in cheap and you've been holding for like months or years, and any like 2-3% drop, buy it. 2-3% drop, buy it. 5%, buy it. You know what I mean? Just keep buying it, because if you bought it at enough discount, price is not gonna drop 40-50% on indices. It's not gonna. I just don't see it happening. People are gonna trade the most successful markets in the world, and the most successful markets are the American markets. So I don't see the American markets taking a dump. Unless you had like a worldwide thing, like a worldwide, like seriously, like talking like a mad problem worldwide, and only then I would see something like that happening. But yeah, all the stocks of Meta Facebook be rallying non-stop. Is it not overvalued? I don't look at Meta so much. Like individual stocks, I don't really look at, because that's more like you need to do more research on the company policy, the company stance, what is their forecast, what is their projection, what's their investment looking like, who's invested in there, what purpose is the reason for the investment. Like stocks are a bit more tricky. You can't just buy the dip, bro. You need to study like long term. How long can you hold that stock for? Can you hold it for a year, 2 years, or 3 years?
Turkey may see $3.3 billion drop in official reserves. Turkey may post current account shortfall of $1.459 billion. Estimate $1 billion deficit. Turkey May retail sales increase 13.7% year on year.
Nvidia is a stock in it, but you have to do your research in it. Nvidia is a stock. I like AMD personally, but that's just personal preference. I wouldn't be buying any of them until I've done my research in it. I'll have to do my research and find out.
Account shortfall, $37.3 billion.
with stuff like stocks, you have to be a bit more careful. You can't just simply, yeah, bro, buy the dip. Like, you probably need more understanding of the markets, deeper understanding of the markets, to kind of be like in stocks and stuff, or heavily invested in stocks. You need like much deeper knowledge. It's not fundamentals, just more stock, like knowledge of the stock, knowledge of the company, knowledge of their future projections. Are they likely, are they not likely? That's why, you know, you got earnings reports, yeah, for stocks. Like I don't know when it is, but if you just like chat GPT, like when is the earning reports for the MAGA, like mag 5, mag 7, and then that's where all the reports come out, like, you know, their revenue and stuff like that.
Strikes infrastructure used for Ukrainian armed forces. Military cargo damaged at Ukraine's port of Chornomorsk.
I'm gonna turn that down because I don't like the automated voice. It keeps talking about every single individual news point. So yeah, you need to know that stuff in it. And then the fundamentals are just affect the indices and the stocks, but the stocks aren't so affected by it. I don't think they're more affected by the individual earnings in it. Yeah, no problem, man. I will get into stocks and stuff like that, but I think you need money in it. Like, once, like if I had like 150 200k in my personal account, I would start doing stock investments and stuff like that, but I have to start digging into companies and sort of that sort of thing. I'd even start looking into new companies
At Global AI Summit.
like buying into new companies. We'd have to like proper do research in, like, is it a fake company, is it a legit company, like who's heading the company, you know, that sort of thing in it. Yeah, stocks move the index, yeah, but the index is filled with many different factors. Different corporations in it. Like the S&P 500 is basically moving because of the Mag 7, bro. Nasdaq is moving because it's the tech side of everything, which is obviously why Mag 7 is moving, because of the tech side. US 30, I'm not sure who's included in US 30, but you can Google all this stuff anyway. Chat GPT or Google will tell you like all that information. Right, so who's playing football now then? Let's have a look. So we're in semi-finals now. Tomorrow is France versus Spain. And then we got England versus Argentina. I want Argentina to bomb England, so I want 6-0, 7-0. I want England to get mangoed. Like, I want their virginity to be putty, bro. Putty. And then I want Spain to win because of that Amal Yama, or whatever his name is. And then I think Spain in the World Cup will do like Free Palestine because they're all right. You know, you got that Amal guy as well. He's one of the main players, isn't it? The Moroccan guy. But he's half Moroccan, so we don't know how good he actually is, because yeah. Anyway. Wait, is Lindsey Graham dead? What happened? Wait a second, is Lindsey Graham dead? It's a guy, innit? It's one of the old white guys who's in American government policy. He's been pushing for like more Zionism. Iran's basically said 1 hour ago, we're going to start hitting more gas and oil facilities. Airstrikes all over the Middle East. There you go. Oh shit, just days before his sudden unexpected death, US Senator publicly backed closing defense ties with Turkey, describing it as a great ally and great military and strategic vital member of NATO. And then he's died 2-3 days later. Yo, Mossad is working overtime. Wow, if he literally said Turkey is a great ally with great military, strategic and vital to NATO, that's pure anti-Zionism, yeah? Which is makes sense if you get what? No way. No way. Oh shit. Sheikh Al-Thani is dead as well. Yo, what's going on? Everyone's dying. The founder of Qatar, the Emir of Qatar, Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al-Thani is dead, 74. Tributes poured into the leader that transformed Qatar from a small Gulf state into a major global player. He is a bit of a knob anyway, bro. I missed a lot of news. I've missed a lot of news. What's the markets doing? I don't even know. I need to pay attention to the markets as well. Cock. Yeah, mad bro. Bad stuff has been happening. Shit, man. Because I didn't even know half of this. Man. Madness. Bro, the executions are really good, man. I'm telling you, Funded Next is a really good firm, man. Okay, so we didn't take the high, we didn't take the low, we did nothing. Price is moving higher, gold is pushing higher. I've seen dollar weaken off just a little bit. And then USD JPY is not doing much. NZD JPY.
Kihara, GPIF to undertake proper review of
Oh,
portfolio.
oh,
Japan Chief Cabinet Secretary Minoru
UJ's
Kihara
moving.
talks in Tokyo.
UJ's got some volume. What's going on in Tokyo? GPIF to tweak its basic portfolio. What is GPIF? What is GPIF?
Egypt pound slides beyond 50 per dollar in offshore trading. China Foreign Ministry holds daily briefing in Beijing. China Foreign Ministry spokesperson Lin Jian briefs. Kihara, changes to GPIF portfolio will be made if necessary.
Boy, UJ's done a fat move. Bro, I love Funded Next spreads. On EUGU, other stuff not so good. On funded next day, the futures, it should be no spread in it. I think the shorts are gonna happen soon.
Zen gains versus dollar as Japan's Kihara comments.
What do you mean you can't make an account because they're in UAE? That doesn't make sense. Yeah, it should be 0 on futures. Well, let's have a look at UJ then. Nice little move right there. Nice big move right there. That's UJ done, mate. Trust me, that's UJ done. Technical knockout.
GPIF conducts timely assessments of environmental changes.
I'll keep this one. Onyx. Funding pips, your UAE, you can't make any account because the office is in UAE. It's against their policy. Yeah, it's because they're probably doing business to foreign people, not people in the country, innit? I'm looking on your side there. Yeah. Makes sense though. It's probably a tax thing, innit, man? They're probably trying to get people to come put money into the company, not take money out of the company for their country or something like that, if you get what I mean.
Dollar yen sees brief decline and recovery, last at 162.06.
Let's go to M5 then, because I think that shorts are still the play. I just think price is coming to go to a high level just to take it, sort of thing. I need to watch carefully now, see where price moves from, because if we start to get a mover here, then I think we're good to go and say London has officially taken like Asia high / Frankfurt high. If we're going to go on the idea that the war is going on, money's coming into the dollar, we should see dollar strength now. Is it going to happen right now? I'm not sure. We'll see what price action tells us, innit? If it starts to give us volume and movement to the downside, then we're good to go. If it don't, then we're cooked in it. It's gonna have to just keep waiting for confirmation to go along then. So basically, sabr. Nothing else you can do, boys. What's new anyway, man? What can we talk about? Keep ourselves busy. Oh, new episode of House of Dragon. Yes, mate. Yeah. Hello, Taramp. Hello, Taramp. Do you remember that video, Sahad? That was funny, man. Hello, Taramp. Hello, Taramp. What do you see? What's that? What do you see? Sounds familiar, but I don't know. Oh, the pop. It just popped up.
Safe passage in Hormuz benefits all sides.
One the next just popped up with the futures deal, or like marketing, whatever. Lol. I don't know. The Rune plays a gay cat. Nolan's next. Rune plays the gay characters in it. What the hell, man? Where is Haroon? He'll be here shortly. Still a bit early for him. So we've took that high on EU, yeah. After about 10 minutes of London Open, 17 minutes now it's been. I took it after 10 minutes, which is interesting. Haroon the Gambler. Yeah. Well, let's not destroy him. Like, everyone makes mistakes, man. Come on. Have to update the flipping trade copier accounts, bro. I can't be bothered. Arune, he goes to work at 9 or half 9, so he'll probably be on here at like half past or like 22 or something, because it's like 20 past 8 right now. It's still quite early in the morning. Respect the hustle.
China Foreign Ministry press briefing concludes.
I don't know. They just got deals on the futures accounts, innit? Because I think the more newer accounts on the CFDs, you only get like 10-20% off.
5.0 magnitude quake southeast of Loyalty Islands, USGS.
CAD's falling a bit. CAD didn't take those highs. What did CAD do on 1 minute on London Open
ADNOC
time?
Prices August Lulu
Not
crude
much.
in line with Murban. ADNOC sets August Murban crude price at $80.01 a barrel.
$80 in one goddamn cent. I woke up. So what, man? He wants attention now. Give him attention. Or send me a picture of the cat on Instagram. I want to see, man. I like cats. They're cute. Alright, India. Thank you. Not really, bro. Like, I don't really use social media that much, innit? Mainly, honestly, if I'm on social media, bro, I'm mainly posting about the war and stuff like that. I'm not really there to engage. Like, I don't really use social media like that. I did when I was younger, like a few years ago, or when I was racing my car, I was posting about my car, like racing events and stuff like that. But other than that, I don't really, innit? Oh yeah, have a look. I posted on my other account. Wait. Let me add you on my other account now, innit? Where are you? Adding. Oh, there you are. Right, I followed you on my main account. This is the one I actually used to use all the time. But now let me switch back to the old one and then. Why is it? Instagram, bro. It's saying that you got messages to read, yeah, but like there's nothing there. I think it means, yeah, it means your chat, innit? Oh my god, she's a body. That first picture's funny, bro. Oh, that's a funny picture, man. Kasme. He's cute, man. He's cute, man. Oh, I love Billiard, man. They're so cute. Oh, cute. Have you heard the sound yet? When they're in heat. Like, they make a weird sound when they're in heat, innit? Oh, cats are pretty amazing animals, man. They're so cute. So cute. Anyway, look how yours is holding that level. I know, wait, no. Volume to the upside, contraction very low. No, this is a bit suspicious, actually. That's a bit suspicious. You had lovely volume here and here. Here was okay. But you can see the short side volume was stronger. But it's between that window of like 6 to 8, which is suspicious. So maybe longs are still the way to go. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. Here's London open low. Do 9 o'clock on there, innit? You can. I'm gonna just. What do you not think is gonna happen with EEG? Go up or down on your own high time frame opinion analysis thing? There's oil heading. It should be going up. Simple as that. If the war continues, it goes up.
Syrian Foreign Ministry, US has repeatedly broken deal. Iran's Foreign Ministry spokesman, Ismail Baghai, holds press conference.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real-time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Oil is heading to Israel. Yeah, man. I can see Amal now being a Somali pirate. Hello, I am Amal. I am from Calcutta in India. I used to be from Dubai, but now I am with my Somali friend Abdi because we're trying to capture the oil because I love oil. Because I love oil. Because I love oil. Yeah, exactly. That's funny, man. That's funny. I think if we struggle to hold, like, take this high level and start to push down, I'm gonna consider getting in shots. Yeah. Is Amal from South India, North India? I don't know. Amal bhai, where are you from? Right now he's from Somalia. Look how he says living in Dubai. Look, he's like, I am South India but living in Dubai. Oh.
Iran's foreign ministry spokesperson says Iran is trying to reach a joint mechanism with Oman on the Strait of Hormuz, but the US pressure on Oman hindered efforts.
He was in India not long ago as well. He could have gone to meet your family.
Iran oil minister holds discussions with Russia energy minister, TV.
GU starting to drop. You leave the cat alone. She's cute. Leave her alone.
Syrian-US-Iran agreement enters crisis phase.
Iran says US-Iran memorandum of understanding is in crisis phase.
He's in Australia, innit? So he doesn't live there, but he'll go there to see his family or something. Okay, no, prices are still pushing higher. Euros haven't. Oh, flipping hell. Euros haven't. Wait, was that some sort of news or something? So there's a lot going on. Ah, yeah. He just chose to be a Hindu, innit? Don't worry, we'll fix him. We'll fix him.
Iran. Ships face risks through US alternate pathways in Strait.
Iran says ships are at risk via US parallel routes in the Strait.
Unwillingly Jewish. He wants he wants to be successful, so he aligned himself with the Jews. Very good tactic. No, he's Muslim. He's just taking the piss, bro. He's just messing around. Yo, Paul.
ADNOC to sell offshore oil at prices tied to Dubai benchmark.
You only miss about his virginity. Well, I swear when Harune comes there, the chat moves rapid, you know. Right, so let's see what happened then. Haroon, we miss you, Gambler. Bashi's undercover Jew. Pip analyst, the only one. Bishop. Suspend our maces. Bashi lost it yesterday. What did I lose yesterday? What are you talking what for, bro? Did it hurt him? Yeah, I love Bashi answered that. Is his losing streak. Yeah, Haroon, but RIP. Haroon still with QT or someone else. Haroon is a funding Pips fan, and it's done. Amal, I got a card for me. He's probably blowing it with this market. Yeah, he funded Pips. That could just scalp in and out fast. That's nah. He just wants to get used for funding Pips so you can blow your cans quick and fast. Quick and fast. Yeah, exactly. He just wants to straight up. I want to do quick and fast execution so I can get the account quick, fail it fast. You want to trade in the past few weeks? Listen, I took 5 mistake-based trades, yeah, and 5 L's, and I got swerved like 15 times. Like directions fine, everything, you know. Moon tap to dispute the bank after blowing the account. 150% he will do that. I can see that happening. Sat there on your hurting. Bumbleclaw, shut up, lad. Haha, nah, I just throw my phone against the wall. That's what I do. Bashy looking down too much. He's got a magnifying glass. No, you dummy. It's my phone. It's right here, isn't it? Oh, hello, over here. You dot. It's a sad stock. Bashy is a big investor. But yeah, I don't know much about Indian stocks. Yeah, I don't know either, mate. No clue. These things are beyond my knowledge, my friends. Now, this to me looks like it's going to go long, bro. The volume's on the long side. We did have a lovely move here and a lovely move here. But yeah, I don't like the way this is looking. There's volume on both sides, longs and shorts on GU. On EU, it's clear longs. EU is like very clear. That mark is cooked. Like, yo. I can get rid of that. Stick that there. What daily money?
Five economists compete for Croatian central bank vice governor positions. Poll: China Q2 GDP growth seen at 4.5% year-on-year, down from 4.7% in April and 5.0% in Q1. Poll: China Q2 GDP growth forecast 0.9% quarter-on-quarter, down from 1.3% in Q1. Poll: China 2026 GDP growth predicted at 4.6% versus April estimate, 2027 seen at 4.4%. Poll: China's 2026 consumer inflation projected at 1.2% versus 1.0% in April, repeats for 2027. Poll: China's central bank set to maintain 7-day reverse repo rate through 2026. Poll: China central bank to reduce weighted average reserve requirement ratio for banks by 20 bips per second in Q4 2026.
₹50 account. Bashy, shall I install COD on bro's PC? He has better GPU. Really? You can do if you want, but I'm not that on it anyway, so it's your choice, innit, bro? It's up to you. If you want to, then sure, but don't do it just because I said, if you know what I mean. If you're bored, then you can, innit? Uh, 3050 is alright, to be fair. Yeah, GOAT game, don't need to give it a try. Yo, Bashy, did UK decide you? It's good, likely to be that Andy Barnum guy from Manchester, which is where Alan lives, but the issue is he's pro-Zionist. So there's a lot of flack coming from certain parties saying that, oh, you know, like, people are saying that, oh, what's your political stance on Palestine and stuff like that, and border control and all that shit, and he's a bit like type thing, innit? So yeah, exactly. So it'd be interesting to see what actually comes off that. Was there any trade to go long? Because I couldn't really see it, man. Yes, we took these lows. First leg, second leg, tagged the invalid zone here. Took these lows, volume commit. No entry, and bro, there's no entry, man. No entry. Because even if, yeah, you had the buy stop, first leg on the London Open here, one, the SL is fucking huge. Two, it tagged the invalid zone, so I would have probably gone break even as soon as price pulled back down just to be safe, or like done half risk, and they would have tagged anyway. So there's nothing I can see on GU that I could have actually taken. I can't see anything.
To inspect nuclear sites.
Shit, he is the same as Starmer, backed by same person exactly. I can be UK PM if you vote yes for me. Free QT accounts for everyone. Funny, why did I get your thing down? Is the big question. They keep sending email. Oh no, because I don't get it. I can't get it.
Iran's Baghai Strait won't be allowed to become a threat to Iran. LME nasdaq inventory steady at 120 tons. Swiss sight deposits of local banks at 444.759 billion Swiss francs in week ending July 10th versus 440.922 billion Swiss francs prior week. Swiss total sight deposits at 471.254 billion Swiss francs in week ending July 10th versus 479.154 billion Swiss francs a week earlier. LME tin stock declines 45 tons to 7,955 tons. LME rescinds warrants as tin supply climbs 60 tons to 1,665 tons. LME zinc stock declines 525 tons to 114,275 tons. LME cancels zinc warrants.
This guy's annoying. Shut up reading every single word they say, man. Just read the important stuff in your bloody data nipple. Anyway, I can't see anything with GU in terms of how I could have got into either a short or a long. Let's look at EU now. So price is coming down, took these lows, moved higher, first leg, second leg. I was on the stream late anyway, so I don't think I would have even been able to catch like first leg, second leg. And then it tagged into M5 invalid zone here, gave a reaction, first leg, second leg. Broke structure there. There's nothing here at all. Absolutely nothing here at all. Nothing here at all. I wanted shorts obviously, but there's nothing here. Even if I look back at longs, like there's no clear sense that, oh yeah, there's an entry. I was hoping that we filled the gap. We're going to continue down, dollar strength coming in, war issues and stuff like that. Doesn't seem to be the case. It can happen after 1-2 days. It doesn't need to happen right now. Price was technically bullish because you took those lows, moved higher, and then we took these lows and moved higher, but this here wasn't that good. I didn't like this price action, but this invalid zone was clean. But then I was like, the volume's there, I'm not so sure. I'd be patient in it. So yeah, I can't really see anything I would have done different, to be honest. Can't see anything wrong. Yeah, I can't really. Yeah, nothing there. Let's look at USD CAD then. Was there anything for USD CAD? Let's look at USD CAD then, yeah? That's showing shorts anyway, which is fair. Then price come up. It fell off a cliff. Actually, once again, USD CAD was probably the cleanest pair, you know. Build up, sweet. Big volume there. Supply zone there. Build up, sweet. Build up, sweet.
Taiwan Ministry of Finance.
Build up, sweet.
Income rises 81.5%.
Sweet there. First leg, second leg. Not enough of a pullback, and then it dipped. So you know what? Actually, USD CAD was fair, but there was no entry because it tagged into a Frankfurt low. Invalid zone right there. But that was clean. That was clean. That was actually not bad. It would have been a sell stop permission again. But that one wasn't so bad on the sell stop because if you look at it, first leg, second leg, oh shit, that's a bigger sell, you know. I don't know if I take a 5.6 pip SL because then like look at that, like you're nearly at 20 pips and you're only 3.5 off. I don't know about that. It's a bit, it don't seem to have the return to warrant the risk. Okay, gold's coming up into this zone here. I still want to short this, so I'm gonna look at M1 now and see if shit, I need to add gold onto all my other accounts, innit? Bollocks. What the hell seconds? Huh? Nice, good stuff. Yes. That's the one you took earlier, I think, innit? The one that you're talking about initially. Good stuff, man.
Deposit share of North Sea 40s crude hits 20% in week to July 12th. INEOS.
Second position, nice, good.
Germany sets 2.70%.
Probably about another 20 minutes and then I'm done.
Tuesday, Bundesbank.
Actually, no, I can stream for a bit longer. I've got time today. I'll probably stream till about 10. So another 40-50 minutes. Why is dollar falling so much? Beautiful. Coming up to the midline now on gold. Gonna be releasing this. Oh, sad. This guy. We got a lot of volume today, man. Whoa, yo. Right, what's the score then? Itu Adi. Right guys, do you have any feedback? Is there anything I could have done? Let's make this a learning experience. I don't think I could have done anything on USD CAD. I don't think I could have done anything on EU nor GU because price is just kind of flying off and not really giving any move or retracement or anything anywhere anyway. I think if I'm gonna trade New York, I'm gonna have to move off of like closer levels like this and stuff. If I trade New York, that's done. What? Why has it gone over to this? How did that happen? Mad. So yeah, and then you go to Euro. Probably better off to bring this to here instead. Oh no, shit. Yeah, put that at the bottom. Then bring that there and then do New York session. We're gonna have to get some form of retracement back into this massive gap that we made.
UK adds 14 new entities under cyber sanctions regime. UK adds 10 new listings under Russia sanctions regime.
Welcome back, my brother. What's had the ding? Had the ding ding. Won't find anything, bro. Okay, gold has taken that level. Oh man. Yeah, it takes time. Neville gave the Edge Finder readings in the Discord. GU Longs is the only thing good there.
EU's callous. EU condemns Russia's hostile cyber network targeting EU, member states and global allies. EU's callous, EU imposing sanctions on 9 individuals and 4 entities relating to this.
It is. It took that level out there though. I think we might be able to get a short now because I'm basically hoping. No, because you come into this higher time frame zone, haven't we? We've come into the higher time frame zone. Could this be a bounce and a dip further down? I'm not sure, you know. This could be a bounce and a dip further down. Because what I'm thinking basically, yeah,
Callous.
is
EU sanctions to
these Asia midline zones on gold work really good, like 70-80% of the time when we were looking about that. More often than not. This midline level. So I'm wondering if prices come swept that zone there. Could we get a dip down now? Maybe. That's what I'm thinking on gold. Because it seems to be a really strong level, man. That Asia midline on gold. think it's a pullback to the 50% dip, then going again. What do you mean? You mean it's gonna go higher again or dip down again? I think it's gonna dip down, personally. Yeah, Sahadi, take it easy, bro. I'll call you on IG if you want for a bit. Cause I'm, you know what? I'm gonna. Actually, you know what? Should I stick around for a bit? Cause EU's taking these highs. I'm gonna stick around for about 10-15 minutes. I'll be on mute in it. I'll call you, but I'll be on stream, but I'll be on mute. But I'll call you. Okay, cool.
should access social media only with supervision. Moody's Ratings affirms Muse Bidco SA's B1 CFR outlook shifted to stable. Regulations. Task Force. Jet fuel supply remains broadly stable so far. EU's Energy Task Force. Jet fuel supply in EU remains resilient despite geopolitical strain. EU Energy Task Force. Overall situation stays unstable. EU Energy Task Force. No urgent supply security risk for winter 2026-2027. Fast fashion retailer Shein set for Hong Kong IPO hearing Thursday, sources say. Shipping at Sea of Azov, key grain trade route, stays limited Monday after Ukrainian strikes on tankers. 3 sources. Economic Master Issuer PLC, Series 20261, UK STS, RMBS. Magnitude earthquake strikes Bismarck Sea, GFZ. China to enhance natural resources.